I had a question on about Activity 5 where you go to the StatsCan website and collect some data. You're supposed to go to the StatsCan website and put the data into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to StatsCan, and then there's their site there. We're going to go to the data section, and we're going to look for, say, crime rate. Crime rate. And I've typed it wrong. Double C there. And then there's public use microdata, data visualizations, tables. So we're going to look for tables. And I'm just going to choose the first one. And here's a table of data. All we want to do is select it. Select all the data points, and then hit Control and C on your computer for copy. And then you're going to go to your computer and open Microsoft Excel. Select the first cell and press Control and V. And there you have some data in Microsoft Excel. Now the assignment asks you to look for something with 100 data points. This one's only got 38 or so.